Albany, Oregon. A lady is seen stealing a dog from her neighbors.
Are you hurt? Hurt? Are you okay? Come here.
Always keep an eye on your pets. Anyone could take them. Plano, Texas. A kid casually swipes a bike from the front porch, not a single care in the world. Charlottesville, Virginia. A crazy lady was caught checking porches, ready to steal with an empty bag in hand. Evansville, Indiana. It's all fun and games until the alarm goes off. Jackson, Mississippi. A group of teens is caught breaking into a vehicle and stealing from it. Santa Clara, California. A man is caught peeking through the window, but the homeowners spot him before he gets the chance to do anything worse.
Yeah, I was wondering, my auntie had put an address like this. I was wondering to see if this where she stayed at.
Nah, man, no. Your aunt don't live there.
All right.
Imagine stealing an ashtray and doing it at 4 a.m. That's dedication to the wrong career path. Springfield, Illinois.
Get the fuck away from my car!
Stamford, Connecticut. At 5 a.m., a man is caught on camera stealing an entire trailer like it's just another morning. There he goes, not suspicious at all. Gulfport, Mississippi. A thief casually checks 2 car doors, completely unaware he's being recorded the whole time. Make sure to always lock your cars. Allentown, Pennsylvania. A group of women stroll by a house, but one snags a package on the way back. Norman, Oklahoma. A loser steals a kid's bike and rides off. Olympia, Washington. A suspicious woman rings the doorbell with no clear reason for being there. Even the owners had no idea who she was. Lake Charles, Louisiana. Another thief caught in the act. Fort Collins, Colorado. A Ring camera captures multiple kids roaming the neighborhood, casually checking car doors. Santa Monica, California. A man is caught breaking and entering into a home. Flagstaff, Arizona. A woman tries to open the front door of a house that clearly isn't hers. Bangor, Maine. Just when you think you've seen it all. Pocatello, Idaho. another thief strikes. Pueblo, Colorado. Two men break into a car but take off the moment a floodlight kicks on. Huntsville, Alabama. I don't even have words for this. Ithaca, New York. Three teens break into a vehicle and start grabbing whatever they can get their hands on. Torrance, California. A suspicious man rings the doorbell with no clear reason why.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
Sorry?
What can I do for you?
Hello?
Yeah, what can I do for you? Hello?
I wasn't able to hear you.
You need something?
Duluth, Minnesota. A drunk man stumbles onto the property, leaving the homeowners shaken and terrified. Fayetteville, Arkansas. This woman didn't even try to be subtle, caught in the act, stealing in plain sight.
Stop stealing stuff. I reported you to the police. You're on camera. Stop taking shit.
Kenosha, Wisconsin. A frightening woman, likely under the influence, tries to force her way into the home. Amarillo, Texas. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And stay safe out there.